Students, today we start a new chapter, compound experiment. What is compound experiment? Let E be the random experiment described by the event space S. E be the random experiment described by the event space S, which contains m event points. That is E1, E2, um, like A1, A2, am. M event points. So m event points let u1 u2 um, having the probability p of ui equal to small pi, I running from 1 to m. That is p of ai equal to pi, I running from 1 to m. So that summation of pi I equal to 1 to m equal to 1. You consider summation of pi I equal to running from 1 to m equal to 1. Let us take another random experiment E dash, and whose event space or sample space is S dash, containing n points. Here m points, here n points. V1, V2 Vn with probability with probability P of Vj equal to Pj dash, j running from 1 to n, with Pj dash summation Pj dash I j running from 1 to n equal to 1. Okay. Also, the experiment E1, E and E dash performed successively in such that the second experiment E dash is independent of the first experiment. Independence means the second experiment E dash is independent first experiment E. That is, the result of E does not any way affect from the performance of E dash. The result E does not any affect the performance of E dash. Okay. Then the joint performance E and E dash is called compound experiment. The joint performance E and E dash is called compound experiments. If event space and the event space or sample space of the compound experiment is of the form S double dash equal to S cross S dash, the event space or sample space of the compound experiment is follows S double dash equal to S cross S dash. The event points will be of the form ui vj, ui and vj. The event point of the compound experiment is of the form ui vj, where I running from 1 to m and j running from I to n, running from 1 to n. Let us take an example. E be the random experiment tossing a coin, and E dash be the random experiment of throwing a die. They are independent, E and E dash. There is no relation between E and E dash. E be the random experiment tossing a coin, and E dash be the random experiment throwing a die. Then let sample space of E is S, and S dash be the sample space or event space of E dash. Then S contains 2 points head and tail, and S dash contains 6.12.6. Then the event space or sample space S double dash of the compound experiment of the joint performance of the random experiment E and E dash. Sample space or event space S double dash of the compound experiment E double dash is given by S dash means S cross S dash. This is a Cartesian product. Each contain 12 points. head first bracket head comma 1 comma bracket close comma head first bracket head comma 2 bracket close comma first bracket head comma 3 bracket close comma first bracket head comma 4 bracket close comma first bracket head comma 5 bracket close comma first bracket head comma 6 bracket close comma first bracket head tail comma 1 bracket close first bracket tail comma 2 bracket close comma first bracket tail comma 3 bracket close first bracket tail comma 4 bracket close first bracket tail comma 5 bracket close first bracket tail comma 6. It contains 12 points. This is a compound experiment. Okay.